Hello, watchers and listeners. My name is Amir from ASDDDOSA, and today I doing something a bit different. I noticed that the two videos I released in the Trytest series didn't show my expertise in QA, and I thought around the making of the second video how I can improve it. So today I will show you what I going to do about it in the next videos, at least for now. It could be changed anytime, but I think for now it's good enough for me to do these things. So let's look up how I'm going to do the next videos. So the three main steps for the Trytest series from now on will be planning, testing, and reporting. Planning, it will be like when you usually start to test a project. You usually learning about how the program work, what the customers, what bugs already found, if there is any, and history and stuff like that. So it mainly be in the planning phase. Testing will be mainly, of course, testing. As the name implies in the Trytest series, it will be me trying to test the project and hopefully finding bugs that others didn't found. And reporting will be the last stage. It will be mainly, but not all of the stuff about releasing the findings. But as you see, there will be some stuff of reporting that will be in testing. Because these three stages are not very clear from the start, at least if I didn't explain before then. As I teased earlier, I broke these three stages to more stages. From planning, I broke it up to research, compose, and organize. From testing, I broke it to execute, record, and story. And from reporting, I broke it up to value, edit, and publish. These 9 stages don't say a lot, and that's why I broke every stage to 3 more stages. So from here you start to understand more about how I will do things. And because it's a very small font and not a lot of real estate, I will close up for you and show you the stages. So in research, there is finding a program or a project, dive into the project and find the users. In Compose, we start a script, we start to voice, install the program. And from organize we have config, knowing the program, and organize tests, as the name implies, will be very useful in the next step, that is testing. From execute we have do tests, find cause of bugs, and we have redo, because we want to know if the bug exists really or we just have a fluke. From record we can see there is report. As I said earlier, we have a part of reporting because it's very necessary for programmers to find the bugs early on, and I know that. And because it will take at least a week or even more to do it all, I will try to report it at least as much as I can directly to the project. Then I film and cut ends of the film, cause it's probably won't be necessary. From story we have name, explain, and voice. I know name explain is the other channel here in YouTube. I watch it, it's very funny and informative, but never mind. It's a fluke. Why I call this stage all of this story? Because in the end we're all humans, and humans, unfortunately, sometimes you can't tell what's wrong with somebody else's thing, especially if the thing is some virtual thing, like a song you wrote to a computer that you don't really know in the end what it will do with that song. So sometimes you need to a bit abstract it to make it more understandable, to let the programmer know how this bug breaks the project. And to do that you need not only to explain the technical things, but also explain how you feel about that bug. For that you need to in the end tell some story about it, at least as I seen this. From the 3 years or so I have been a QA tester. I needed the end to show the bug as a part of the video, and I guess I can just show a text in the side or something, but I feel like if I voice it, it will be much better. From the reporting side, from value I start to rank the bugs, what I found, what others found, and I saw it. I will end the script and write how I feel about the project or the program, and I will record that in the end. So then I move to edit. First of all, I will try to fix some stuff I didn't cut in the record stage of testing. some stuff from the recordings that wasn't useful to the flow, or duplicates from other parts of the script. Ensure that there is at least something interesting every 5 minutes. At least have some visuals, some pictures if there isn't something else to see, and render all of it. In the publish stage, I will check if the video works correctly, start to think about the tags, the description, ensure the end cards and things related to the YouTube platform that I can't actually edit to the video are at least around the place they should be. And after I finish uploading, I need to place to advertise it. So for now, I don't know really where I can advertise it, except for friends and family. I will try to see how and where I can put it in a way that not be so invasive or feel like guerrilla marketing, cause it's, at least from the YouTubers subreddit, it seems that a lot of new YouTubers using guerrilla marketing, and at least from this user, it seems that it starts to be more annoying and less useful. It also said about how to arrange some stuff, and I will take it to note for myself and try to maybe not follow it directly, but at least do the things more right than what I did in the past with the first videos. I think that's it. Don't forget, if you have some project you want me to test, you can email me. You need only to say what the project does, and I will try to test it in this YouTube channel. And please engage with the video so it will be shown in more places. And I will see you next week or so. Yeah. So